news for your publication. Publication a buy and it's the National Health Insurance. And from this year to the bar, Mampaina that dear work for what the buyer pro-poor policy. Some boy here for Nancy California here for your panel. Say, dear, I am no phone for yadi. Now what you are?
And try now they firm.
2004 National Health Insurance the buyer and from this year to the bar sabe will be yade na wo yehiani na wo nisika wo kitane kada wo betimi yakoba bia because a universal so wo sunyane kra na wo bankranya ye be hani free wo won kra wo kotatale ye be hani free wo wo tatale wo kokepos ye be hani free wo kepos wo kokofodua ye be hani free ya is said here will be adding now the National Health Insurance card in the car. Yes, there be first cabra. Yes, I ain't me.
Way boy.
Under John Dramani Mahama. Under NDC government. The National Health Insurance are here for a suso moon kakra. One by say the National Health Insurance. No phone, sir.
I've been Cassia so that I've been get 20 years.
And Samuel de Bano and Tasumu.
Sheniakasa.
Yet Yamuko, the taxpayers' money. Some were here in our yadia, were Bamuji Nisikano, Nisikana be near the Yamukabusimibia.
The Canada,
and Tiatuma Esawayano, Esawaye. And Mecasana, technical fault, and intimate validate card, no, and the intimate validate card in Intino, this or Muchieska, na ye Timishomo, ye make sure say, ye very back, ye bet me to no man, ya come back, send a be a cardinal, be a bet to me at the Yajma. Me but away and contompo.
Wash.
Now, somewhere you can't track it.
the Canada,
Nipani ya di nipani wu wa National Health Insurance card no ya de hwanwo wa baya wo say wo machine saudi adwuma when your technical fault ntino entimi validate card no na entimi validate card no de wo yade no na samban tenkomo na ye di pa me a me yade my me card matwa me sika eye active enwu ye maba hospital hwamia wose wo card no ye machine no ntimi validate ye nya problem kakra entitwe sika. Are we serious? Na ye dwene Ghana ho ye dwene Ghana fo ho no dwene ban ye dwene Ghana fo ho enti to no bia me kase ye raise bar no na ye mpagya mu free partisan politics ho because I say it's a wo akura se na wo yade na what the National Health Insurance now call health facility no almost with the same challenge. Now we NDC new, we MPP new. Who could do a doctor and one Mrs. Secretary? Ababa way, we MPP and NDC.
You can't we also be reset your mind.
Bawe, SDA hospital. A brand here about call report a free joy, a buy no. A brand here see what call no. Sika and Kokita National Health Insurance card. We bet you 15 Ghana cedis. We could do why I say machine in Yajma and me validate card no yajini 50 Ghana cedis. One who Dr. Keke Akokana Sam say Mitina yam ya, Manina yam ya, Mrs. Nayam yano, yajini 50 Ghana cedis. And to some brand is any pony 50 Ghana cedis. Bisa Mampain John Tramani Mahama. Na Bisa and this Ababani say Nipanin Ko.
You can't we also be reset your mind.
So I know 50 Ghana cedis na. One Kowana.
Etumpine.
And then Kwana one machine who are Yakrana intimi ye.
The Canada,
Because some pay you for no, your leaders no, or more yadia, young from Ghana. One cobba where SDA hospital.
Sheniakasa.
And pay you for the idea among quarter to 7 military hospital.
Etumpine.
One cocolebu.
Etumpine.
One coco for Nachi teaching hospital.
Etumpine.
One court Tamale teaching hospital.
Etumpine.
Why yadia? Uncle Solak.
Etumpine.
So like you any probably rebel cromano, Nipani, pain in the yaria, country, big Mike. Among paying for no, and this in paying for no, or more yadi among Kosolaco, or Montana Luprima, Proud UK, US, South Africa. And it's a system no crying Yajuma, one power.
Sheniakas.
Alright, Munim said, you know that we are back to cash and carry in our health system this year. And then I'm going to say, you are go hospital, and you be catch them say, Chia, and Sana Yashel. Actually, say, we health insurance, they say, need you, Mabu. Yes. When you go to the hospital today, the old catcher one they say, and our system until you have to pay. Me see, this NDC government do not protect anything. They are not good people. But you can't person better. At times, all man, or your campaign say you're voting man on brand at time na health insurance will see if we vote for him or the one premium ebeba health insurance and one premium na I say ubetia ones utia ones asa utia biumu something like that. Bisa who say ecosi saying after me sa boshe na share no ecosi saying omegu health insurance ni kra. It take Nana to revive health insurance again. The same President John Dramani Mahama Samba, Abedada Muhammad got trouble and who hospital you see chair and sana. This government is not thinking about you. And then you see this NDC full soldiers now, more up with some defend this and and brother, you have to stand in for these people, the people that voted for you. Who they hear this in you? Who they can say who they hear this in? Now drink of phone now money this for now much mama muswe. For 10 months moon muka. The only thing that the government is interested in say or percent dollar and brafon into the sky air pop forest markets, the city will be stabilized or whatever they call it. But the people in the country are hungry. And the only thing the government thinks about is a dollar and bra form. Now Ghana, you use dollar. Are we transacting dollar and that's a day? And who NDC full soldier now? Because who they will train cities in the at the end of the mountains. Will be a young training for 10 months or Becassa, who see a because who be they were higher, member train the Ghana, Ebama every month. Who drink of now, one more bread, how we eat, man. And the health insurance, you go cry, go, make gun. Within 10 months, no share the way system no call. Who saw them say, "My papa, my papa." Now I'm trying. We cry, come on, dismiss the ebano and so.
Into doctors and what's system as a problem we are bounty into me and fire insurance and.
However, officials have yet to comment on the situation or provide a timeline for restoring the system, leaving patients and healthcare providers anxiously waiting for relief. For Joy News,
government that in 10 months, no clear-cut policy, nothing. All the sectors are in shambles. Look at the education sector, look at the health sector, look at the agri sector. Government of only muff. I call it ghetto government. Ghetto. The government of talk only. They talk. Nothing to show. That is the government of NDC. That is the government of NDC. They talk and there is nothing to show. So you see, the health insurance cash and carry has returned. If it does not come to your doorstep, it will gradually come. But you see, these governments, strategically, when you look at their budgets, they give allocations, just like they gave to education sector. And yet, the education sector is suffering. So what? Okay, they will tell you that as for allocation, we will allocate. How about the actuals? Allocation is different from the actual amount being dispersed. So you see, they allocate, yes, I will give you 10,000 Ghana cedis, okay? Yeah, I've written it, I will give you 10,000. But however, as to the actual amount that will come to you, it is left to me. So I can promise giving you 10,000 and I give you 5,000 and give you visits. So that is what they've done. In their budget, it was fine. They told us that in the education sector, they've allocated monies higher than that of Akufo-Addo. So they told the child that I will look after you better than your father. Then the child agreed. Well, the child is happy. So now, yes, but so your father is giving you 10 cedis a day. I will give you 30 cedis, okay? I will give you 30 cedis. Then you give the child 10 cedis or 8 cedis. Tell him that I promise I give you 30 cedis, right? Okay, but here is 8 cedis. Take 8 cedis. It is left with what? 22 cedis. Don't worry, I'll give it to you. That is NDC. Ajana 1, Ajana 2. Fragadam 419. I've been the skate, Fragadam 419 NDC. I've been the skate. Oh, na chena baka 30 cedis. Go back about. Yeah, babanka na baka 10 cedis. Ni kayenda da nikere na baka 30. She gaskiya ne kai ya ban 30. Shi kayeda. She zo kan mulki. She ce maka ga 8 cedis ka gane yayi. Nyai zan kara maka 2 cedis. Nyai na kara maka 22 cedis. Ai ni na ce maka na baka 30 cedis ai. Kai kaga damu. That is the style. That is a style for NDC. That is what they have turned Ghana into. So, cash and carry has returned. It was cash and carry under Rawlings. Kufuor came, eliminated the cash and carry. Now they have brought it back. May God save our motherland Ghana in the hands of this clueless government. Allah, yesere mu kachiki wanga hannaye mutane. Kufuor, the all is a cash and carry. Kufuor is a health insurance. Iyayenmu mata da kannimu mata suna zuwa suna haifuwa free. Mun je wurin haifuwa ba mutuwa. Iyayenmu suka je wurin haifuwa su haifu lafiya lau. NDC suka lalata abin. Yanzu NPP sun fita kan power, NDC sun kuma dawo, sun kuma bata shi. Sun fara wata goma, 10 months keke. Just 10 months in government. Come on. May the good Lord save our motherland Ghana in the hands of this clueless government. Wallahi, what they are bent on is govern. Let's be on power. They are so fixated with power. That is their mindset. So they power. Muimuliki, kawaineo. That's it. She said, no wonder. Nsunaka mulki. They easily go into opposition. So that is it. So my fellow Ghanaians, my fellow MPP, let us not gamble. I am telling you, 2028 is our chance. If we gamble, we will lose it big time. We will lose it big time. Yes, because this government has nothing to show. This government is clueless. This government is empty. This government has nothing to show. Whatever this government promises us in opposition, they can never do it. They can never do it. The only thing that this government can do is harassment, persecution. That's all. You see, let me tell you one thing. This government is planning to introduce tribunal. It's not because of Ghanaians. No. Because you cannot tell me that you can fight, if you want to fight corruption, but your government officials are spared. Your target is only your political opponent who have left government. How can you tackle corruption? But if you want me to believe that you are tackling corruption, it is that you should deal with your house first. If I see that you are dealing with your house mercilessly, I am telling you, I will be watchful. You take your house as a scapegoat. When you do that, then I see, wow, yes, the government is really tackling corruption. Then I'll be shivering. I'll be scared. But no, the issue is that, oh, no, forget it. these our opponents, will deal with them. That is what they are fixated on. We'll deal with them. We'll deal with us. I can. It's like if you want to, whenever you hear the MPP communicate, the NDC communicators rather, they are talking about their opponents. They'll continue talking about the opponents for the first 1 year till the last 4 years. I am telling you, nothing will happen. Let me give you this example. They started with the case on Edubohin, right? They thought as for this case, this one is a low-hanging fruit. This is a low-hanging fruit for us. So we can just put. They never thought that. They never thought that Edubohin will not be put to prison by this time. I'm telling you, they never thought. They thought, oh no, we can easily put him to prison. Little did they know that it's about what? The law, the competence, the fidelity to the law. Then now you see they are backtracking. Because what they accuse Edubohin of, it has turned out that they are lying. It has turned out that it's only allegations. And allegation can be proven in the law of court, the court of what? Competent jurisdiction. So that is their fear. If we should arrest any MPP member to courts, arrange them to courts, court of competent jurisdiction, we won't be able to prosecute them because it is the law that is going to work there. It is the law that is going to speak. Yes. So you know what? They've appointed so many judges, and they are now trying to introduce tribunal. All for what? NPP. You know, at some points, I'm worried because perhaps these lawyers will be influenced by the power. At certain points, I'm encouraged that Rawlings appointed so many judges. Rawlings appointed so many judges and justices. At the time of Rawlings, there was what? Tribunal. But nothing of that sort happened. So that is what somehow sometimes encourages me. But I hope, and I'm hopeful that no matter what they do, the MPP will remain alive. That is why I give thumbs up to the national organizers, to the national executives of the party who took a decision to elect the flag bearer as early as 31st January 2016, 2026. I am telling you,